Message requests not showing on Facebook Messenger, problem fixed. Hi guys, so first thing you want to do to fix this issue is go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single application you have on your mobile phone. Search for Messenger right here and then click on it. When you click on Facebook Messenger now, all what you want to do next is for stop and then click on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled exactly like that. Go back, click on data usage and disable all these options and enable them back again. And now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Facebook Messenger and update it. Very easy and simple as you can see. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.